Yeah. Alisama. Guy mbafula be somanda be ngadi, you know. Mena tile minga. So, guys, mbafula be good morning. You know, UDP na supporter sol ngalbe konton dunia daoda. Momo be dunia daoda kabo Cambodia, kaji China, Hong Kong, Bangkok, Dubai, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Fokanabula, Senegal, Gambia, Nigeria. Momo UDP dundi be daoda ngabe konton ni somandala. Mbemo be konton na membe juberola membe na juberola mba be konton na ni somandala. You know, lafta diamula menna dro wala mo president Barrow anin Gambia diuni ka nyitandi na ko leader sifa nyaadi le bembulu andu leader nyaadi le meyalon ko Gambia diu be nyante careful la president Barrow to alata jila na afonye ko alkana bero di Barola Gambia diun we have just maximum 7 days wala bembulu before the election. Men man decision ota sign men fane ron decision ota al sal han sign amantambe ali alla decision nyin ali retract ali murna back to United Democratic Party because president on bembulu president me yalonko amano alondo tabulu amira ya tabulu asambanya be banko sambala nyamen atabulu bar ko killing atabe lodi wala ka wala munafuloti abe nafulo soto la nyame wala ya concern banko beta kun kam banko tata kun ka ma concern banko diun men bela marlo ko to men tala marlo ko ma concern wala tinna ka funta fona banko diun men yalo ka tele nyanda ka do ko dila aka funta ka wor radical because amang alatendu adama diun men yalo ko emang adama diun jayno la ke ko la ita mo hani ala ita jayla hani ala subhanahu wa ta'ala ita jayno la so president Barrow kallo Gambia di woni nyatino na ka foy ko wala diaspora sol ya Allahu akbar Gambia President Barrow will be the worst president ever that will exist on this earth. No mistake that we vote for NPP and the President Barrow. Ndeleba fo kale jande. President Barrow ka kuma kan menifo. As a good leader, as a good president, me yalon ko ala banko di unya la ko ya concern at diamu la wonyama. Boda to tandil Gambia di un le bodo surtout lamba musol. Atel muso men yalo ka atel le kel ka funti atel le kel kata duma silola atel diun le kana duma silola al diuni president Barrow kallo al nyatiliuna ite muso men yalo ko be president Barrow noma ite ba men yalo ko be president Barrow noma ite fa men yalo ko be president Barrow noma e nyante mira la baki president be tembo men toten adamadi manyan na tale la emotional buka banko samba emotional te banko dadala Gambia diun let's put our emotion aside alingana emotional put aside because the president Barrow ni UDP la konanteya yakina ko be president Barrow endorse kam you might be his first victims now awinter next election alimu alentanka woma Aliyajele the way the man talk. Aliyajele. The man have no respect for the Gambians. Amam respect ko soto ala banku diuniye because ning ayatar ko president nemo ayala do kolong. Ate fango nyanta malula le President Barrow as a leader of the Gambia, Republic of the Gambia. He should be ashamed of himself. Ainalo Gambia diuni nyatiluna akafali ko. Ainalo atulu Gambia diuni nyatiluna akafali ko. Allah al diuni atel musol al diuni atel kewol al diuni aka fole ko wol man kutute jobless sol la muyti gam diaspora ako men be diaspora man kutute hani sise bunte bulu bara atolu balu men be siral ka blokosi atel musol men be siral ka blokosi atel le dewni funtita ka alla life bete yandi atel le dewni din duma silota atel le dewni nyin san basilota pour kaje ko alla life bete ya e make komin koy fon kun kande baro kallo wala mu Gambia la president me yalon ko atela nyanta job opportunity create la banku diwnie atela nyanta job opportunity create la Gambia diwnie men yalon ko ka fonti bar president baro yo Gambia diwni felile ay wo banku diwni felile ay bañol feli ay la musol feli ay document feli wala tinna wol fonti tata wandi banko ka fo biate ka wol kile as jobless youth solla. This is very sad. This is very, very sad. As a leader, nyimbeke la Gambia dambane, wallahi ni nyinketa banku kotele to. President Barrow itela la State House okono koteke. Bawo, it is a duty for the government to create a job opportunities for the youths in your country. As a leader of the government, it is your duty to create the job for the youth to stay in their country and work in their country and benefit themselves from their country. Bari itema malu president mumeo ila felio ila mansakunda la felio ikallo kenebato e kafo moleko al diwni men be diaspora hani do kute bulu hani sise bunte bulu Gambia bari nyinata ko sise bunte wol men bulu wol men yalon ko e man do kula diaspora bari ikamek sole ko e ba manyolu hanni telbe la sumaya kono bandajang ikamek sole ko e ba manyolu wol nin konko kanela Hanning ayatar ko, well, diaspora so many along you are calling them jobless and hungry people, diasporans. Ning ayatar ko, wali keta mo jawol tinung, President Barrow itela man sakunda te sila mbe biomento. Bari ite man kemoti me yalon ko you are ungrateful president wala mo ila problem moti bawo adamadi membu ka kunulong ala mari hanala dino fang ala korosi president Barrow mu moleti me yalon ko dino fang man fa balola bawo dino fata adamadi mem balola ite be kila moleti you will be grateful to the people men yalon ko they were with you yesterday during the difficult time bari president Barrow keta moleti aman bala faso to Gambia diwne aman Gambia diwne punya bawo ila banku diwne bemu ila banku diwne ti ila responsibility le mu ko banku diwne membe batari yes solution of finai bari ite manyan na kala moti me yalon ko wala betalo la platform oto wala wo batali ke jele wo kama akatare ko itile nyanta we find na how you going to rescue those people from that joblessness. But Gambia diwne aliyeje as something me yalon ko is normal. Aliaje something it is funny while it is not funny. This is not funny. But the president me yalonko amala duty long as a leader atemalo mune mala responsibility ti wodamba nebe fendi la kanyin kuma kan sifal fo adala. But Gambia diuni atutatelle bulde kanyin banko bondi wala ale banko dundi problem okono bawo president me yalon kanata kale ko sanji saba ama son sanji saba la kabeta 5 years wala mala mandate bi wo president kallo wala nyati na kafay ko I'm here for 20 years sanji mo e kam daning ala diamutal yes Mr. Lamjob nge konton e kam daning ala diamutal ala subhanahu wa ta'ala wala ko president Barrow be anoda 20 years balulal Foy kallo e ka fo Gambia diwne I will rule this country for 20 years. Nyimbe mankale karanko Gambia diwne. Ya kallo Gambia diwne nyato akoy ko mbali marala fo sandi billion killing. Mbali marala fo wato men diatanye. Mo men diatanye ngabulo muta ngasindi jeto. Binga men saindi wo mari noto. Wole fanan kallo aka fo Gambia diwne mbali marala le jang fo sandi moi. And then because of Allah hatred Allah lafi balia Allah konnante ya mo kilwe wala Allah konnante ya pati kilwe walakin nako al balla banko dunde ka problème ko no me yalo ko sama al dun be kala victim solti dindi men yalo ko be kono bi walakin anko this election is not about ite me yalo ko be sanji tanande your future. No, this is not about your future. This is about the future of the children. Many aloko those unborn child. Member ba ma kono. That e better ka wala future. E better ka wala future decide kam. What didn't you remember seeing no school auto? Ekata wala la future decide. What didn't you remember grade 10? E better ka wala la future decide kam. But not you yourself. When you are 40 and about 40, this election is not about you particularly. It's about your children. It's about the kids. Many It's about the children. Men better can know school. It's about the children. Many they are grade 12. They are grade 10. They are grade 7. This is about those people. This election is about those people. How are we going to decide their future? But ni tebe sanji talulu, ebe sanji taworo, eka fo mole ko, mbe baro sindi la janne diakuya, emire mamaru life. Don't be selfish. When you are 40 years above, don't be selfish. Don't go through your emotion. Dindi unijube men beduma ba. And you compare what tirlen chole la ficho nyanda kila nyadile. Ite manyan son nako, kunu ite nata duma silola. Ite manyan son nako, ite men struggle ite unfane na ya start from the zero. Fontol Gambia until betula struggle da maneba. Are we going to continue to fight against only dictators? We don't think about the future of our children? Are we going to follow only our interests? Are we going to follow only our emotions and forget about the kids? Many aloko they have to come after us. Fonyantaka woleke ba. Ite yalo ne ko president mano. President me yalo ka kallo alinyatiru na kafale ko. Wo president kallo akafale ko. Al diuni bet diaspora jobless sol le muiti. But mbafole Mr. President. Wo many yalo ko you calling us as jobless. You calling us that we don't have even chicken house in the Gambia. But mbafole ko many kela siloka wolle la 5-year-old takadundi la 2016 campaign okuna. Ikela bantanya onya but they make sure that their country will develop. Because ngamwele jam. Diaspora remittances this year 2021 ite men felentire at least ni mol ko jada kende ko corona pandemic wole je felindi mol ko agriculture ko because of corona pandemic iko fiol da ko le ko corona. But this pandemic 2021 corona, during this corona period diaspora remittances ye men contribute Gambia kono 657,200,000 US dollars. Diaspora solio le contribute. Ila mansa kundala karajo malemu men bo kodo dundinola. Because niyo compare to the niya chento the dollars obe kanyan de 32 billion ning ayatari ko falendiro be dollars talulela. Obe ta kanyan na 32 billion 860 million dollars diaspora solio le contribute this year 2021. But Hani saying, because you are ungrateful, President Barrow, because you have no sympathy, you have no respect for anybody, more bukete support, you see them as useless. Ando alikiyama lolung alabe nyinin kala Gambia di wording, bawe itele marta Gambia di ubela, itele mu Gambia bela president mbe biomendo, alabe nyinin kala kili wa kili komi kila ya fonyame. Kullukum ra'i wa kullukum mash'ulun ar ra'iyati. Al kili wa kili mu kantar lalti. Bar kantar la wa kantar la ibe nyinin kala ini la kantar fiol tambida nyo nyame. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Obuka jong tonye de. Obuka jong tonye. President me yalon ko. Ifan la banku di la failure e kallo e kawo campaign. Est-ce que wo president ayala do ko lo ne ba? Gambia di benyanta nyini karo kila wol atolu balu albesiring alifali besiring atel falu atolu musol men yalon kal kenyol le tada duma silola al kenyol le besiring diaspora ikedi on ye saw ko no karo ko saw ko no kar killing ikela musol je saw ko no kar killing bari ba make sure ko balwo ye sono ya ila wodimba yali e ba make sure ko itel fon lebe konko la jang bari ba mañol ifa mañol wol bela la bun kono le e konko to kanatela. O president me yalon ko wole atil feli ayal feli amandanga tel fel loto aka na funti ko ka fal diwni ko al diwni be jobless yalla when that president wala nyanta kila moti men nyanta do ko provide la al diwni bara ayal diwni la problème lo aka na say ko ke ake jela kam ite muso be bulo ko sila ite wulula be siri be bulo ko sila adu ni kurante ke la wo diwni kol ni kuranta ni kullina te la wo diwnam ni futu sidina te la wo diwnam ni gamona te la wo diwnam bar momentel na fala fenna ila leptano to mansa man bor keje ila baluwo be kole yare mansa man fenkeje o mansa kilo kanna lo ite nyati luna aka fo ko ila wo diwn futal barate mansa fa diw be siri diaspora le ale nyanta nyin kala te diw kam muneke ate diw ye muneke ba wa fana diw be diaspora ka diw be american atel diwulde ali kaddalas si kemo men kiyale al don ka yiro mo men kiyale e ka yiro tallulo men kiyale wona mo e men dunde gambia man sakunda tata kanyang dolaro million keme woro million tallulo ani worowula dolari wuli keme fula ali yole dunde diaspora remittances gambia kono bar president baro diwbe sirin america da man tar woto nata ko wol mu jobless leti they are jobless, they don't even have chicken house in the Gambia. But aba ngamira nying aba fauna molema se atodum salfu ke baronyol amar jite wol baba jawol men yalon ko ni tata mansa kunda la ka responsibility la ko men yalon ko mansa kunda wallahi la NPP la kila motol dila bari UDP di un wultale tata dam banlomu e fon kela kodo kaka gaswelo sang e fon resources ko le keje wol manke wo banku din kurulti wol manke wo jobless din diaspora solde that jobless diaspora wala muy fana al fan la NPP supporta sol men yalo ko ni tata e kata dogo president on ya ka fay ko moto dinna e ka dogo president on ya na pocket money dinna but not the opposition supporters men yalo ko e fan la ticket o ka boyla jibole ko no because of muna mu yela banko le kanu bare ala wil jojiu president baro bare nte president bilemu la de atel wululal men be siring President bal diwni kaja fila al kabulo ko say atel wululal men be siring president bal diwni kaja fila ayal diwni kemo furunte al nyako dal kabulo ko say ngatel le bilem bawo nin kulliyo sidal bu kata wo president yawo al katal diwni le ya nal sasata al bu kata wo president yaade nene muneke da sorry ngana So